Hello, and thank you for watching this regional forecast update for the Northeast. I'm Andrew Pritchard, Senior Meteorologist with Nutrien Ag Solutions. We'll start with the satellite picture here on Friday morning, and we've got the remnants of Zeta and our cutoff low from the southern plains quickly making their way across the Northeast right now, bringing some cold air in from the north, changing some of that precipitation over to snow across parts of northern Pennsylvania, back in across parts of New York, eastward into southern portions of southern Vermont, southern Vermont, southern New Hampshire, and southern Maine. Even seeing some snowflakes work their way in across parts of the New York City metro as we head through this Friday morning. Again, here is that cold air trying to come in across the south. We've got a cool air mass sinking in across parts of the central United States as well. Additionally, we have another round of cool air waiting across parts of Western Canada that will be making its way in as we head through the back half of the weekend, bringing another shot for some light snow to parts of the Northeast. As advertised, the remnants from the cutoff low and Zeta coming up from the Gulf Coast combining to produce a swath of very heavy precipitation from the Red River region where we dealt with winter weather impacts, heavy snow, and a significant ice storm across parts of the southern plains, and then heavy rain and thunderstorm activity making its way into the Northeast. And then, of course, shot of cold air coming in, changing some of that over to snow across portions of the Northeast here as we wake up on this Friday morning. The hazards map right now, we've got a winter weather advisory in place across parts of Vermont, New Hampshire, down into Massachusetts and Connecticut. We'll keep things quiet otherwise with the freeze watch, freeze warnings in parts of southern Pennsylvania. The hazards really over the next few days are going to be temperature or wind related as we see a couple of systems make their way through. The first of which, of course, making its way through right now. That is the remnants of Zeta, that cutoff low and a little wave coming in from the Great Lakes, bringing some cooler air, combining to bring some snow to the region as we go through the rest of the day today. We'll see that precipitation taper off as we head through the day today into the overnight, though. A quiet Saturday with a reinforcing shot of some cold air as we head into the back half of the weekend, Sunday into Monday. And again, this is going to bring another chance for some light snow to the region before ridging sets up across the central part of the country. This is going to take us into a milder and quieter next week across almost the entire lower 48. And there you see it. We're looking at a temperature anomaly forecast over the next 5 days through November 3rd on the left. The 5 days that follow then, so November 4th through the 8th on the right. And again, we'll keep a cooler bias across the eastern third of the country here with that reinforcing shot of cooler air through the Great Lakes into the Northeast as we head into Sunday and Monday. But then much warmer conditions overspreading the midsection of the country into the Northeast as we get into next week. It's going to be a drier pattern as well with just opportunities for some light precipitation making their way through. Again, the first departing right now and then the next coming in here Sunday and Monday. We'll take a look at that in just a moment. By and large, though, as we look at the precipitable water plot, again, this is a way we can kind of look at the depth of the moisture within the atmosphere above us. And yeah, a shot of cold air, cool, dry air coming in right now, taking much of the deeper moisture well down to the Gulf and the Caribbean down here where you see the brighter yellow and red shading. We get this next little system, this wave that comes in bringing another shot of cool air, does bring a little plume of Pacific moisture with it. You see it right there coming in across the Great Lakes right now, and that is going to also tap into a little bit of moisture off the Atlantic, enough to bring a little light snow to the region, but this brings another big shot of dry air. You see it right there into the region, so warmer and drier conditions as we head into next week. I mentioned some gusty winds. We'll see those winds out of the north-northwest, potentially gusting 10 to 15 miles per hour today. Not too bad as Zeta and our mid-latitude cyclone pull away from the region. We'll see pretty quiet conditions during the day on Saturday, but then Sunday into Monday, that's when the winds could begin to gust across the region. Again, first out of the south on Sunday, but then on the backside of our system, we could see winds gusting 40 to 45 miles per hour out of the northwest as we head through, again, Sunday night into Monday, and that's going to be a cold wind out of the northwest. So we trend warmer and drier across the across the northeast, but we got a couple winter vibey kind of days to get through here over the weekend into very early next week. We'll look at the precipitation forecast just to wrap this up. Well, not to completely wrap it up, but just to kind of tie the story all together. We're seeing the system right now bringing some snow to parts of New England, departing as we head through the day today. We'll see that precipitation taper off into the overnight with high pressure in the region tomorrow. Should be a crisp but sunny October day, a crisp and sunny Halloween for you in New England. No precipitation to talk about. The next system comes in here Sunday into Monday, so some rain possible from west to east as we get through midday Sunday, but then with cold air coming in on the backside, we'll see a chance for some snow as we head into Monday. This could accumulate in spots. We'll talk about how much in just a moment. Snow could continue at times into the day on Tuesday with cold air coming into the region. Strong northwest winds. Remember, cold, windy, and the chance for some light snow. A very wintry Monday, but we quickly transition to a quiet and warmer pattern as high pressure moves in. I'll show you the period here between Tuesday and Friday. Once again, snow tapers off on Tuesday across the region. Here's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of next week, continuing to be quite dry and mild across the region. So we've got that to look forward to. Total precipitation between now and midday on Wednesday. You can see this now includes that clipper system that comes through the Great Lakes. It's not a clipper system. I keep wanting to call that just because of the trajectory. It's a well-defined upper-level disturbance that's going to bring some precipitation to the region. Again, I mentioned the accumulating snow possible from the Great Lakes, talking about the UP of Michigan through northern lower Michigan, and then into New England. And where I think we'll see the most is where we could get some lake effect snow impacts here across western portions of Washington and then northwestern Pennsylvania. A lot of this Monday into Tuesday as we get that cold northwest flow over the top of the still warm lake waters. So we'll have to watch the potential here for some locally significant snow across western New York into northwestern portions of Pennsylvania. You know who you are, the usual suspects here for some of that lake effect snow with a northwest trajectory coming off of the lake. So be on the lookout for that. We could be talking about locally significant snow Monday into Tuesday. We'll finish with a look at your high temperatures here, 30s and 40s for the highs today. Not much warmer Saturday, though we will have a lot of sunshine across the Northeast with those highs in the low to mid 40s. A little more unsettled as we head into Sunday. That chance for rain moves in from west to east, changing over to snow as we head into Monday and Tuesday. Those high temperatures not real warm here, low to mid 30s. The chance for some lake effect snow coming off of the lakes as we head into Monday and Tuesday. But look at that. You can see the warmth already quickly spreading across the western half of the country as we head into Tuesday. We should trend warmer by the time we get to Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week.